Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest not working on Windows 2023. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest not working on Windows 2023, you should just go to settings like this, we click. After that, in this page, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Pinterest and you will enter here. Then in this page you will go to click first stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache. Then we go to click clear data. And when you will end all this stuff, as you see here, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.